Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online through Guinea-Bissau. So let's get started. So here we can see, so Guinea has the 1,000 number of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without an investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where you can sell uh, anything to the business owners and the potential buyers. So here we can see, so what to sell. So you can sell here the social media services, adding subtitles for a video, content writing, editing, making thumbnails, making intros, and many other things. Okay, so so here we can just do the Fiverr, and Fiverr is a very great platform. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.